What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best motorcycle tire changer on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Rabaconda Motorcycle Tire Changer Machine. When it comes to tire changer machine options, there's budget-friendly and then there's expensive. The middle ground doesn't have many decent options. That is, until Rabaconda came along. This is probably more expensive than what most riders would call, but if you're regularly changing tires but can't afford a professional setup, then this is the only option worth considering. The Rabaconda tire changer was designed specifically for motocross, enduro, and adventure rims, but it can accommodate rim sizes between 16 and 21 inches, and street bikes rims do work. Since it's off-road focused, the Rabaconda device can handle bib moussi, tubless, and tire ball fillings, but it can also handle regular tubbed and tubeless street tires too. Manufactured from a tough and durable galvanized and powder-coated mild steel with anodized aluminum features, this Rabaconda machine can handle whatever you throw at it. It's heavy-duty, but it's lightweight and easy to transport, which is why it has become a regular feature at professional AMA-approved races. The bead breaker can remove tires completely with quick efficiency. In fact, it holds a world record for the fastest tire change. It took pros 44 seconds to swap a tire using this device. Simply place the machine on a level surface, and it will use its rubber feet to grip tight, and you place your tire on the wheel hub, secure it with the quick-release bolt system, and get bead popping. Unfortunately, tire spoons aren't included, and it doesn't have a tall upright work stand either. But it does come with a cool transport bag. If you usually dread changing your tires and find yourself doing it more regularly than you'd like, this is definitely the product for you. In our list, the number 4 product name is BAJA No Pinch Original Tire Changing Kit. Welcome to BAJA No Pinch, a must-have tool that simplifies the tire changing process and eliminates the frustration of pinching your tubes. Our innovative tool empowers dirt bike riders to effortlessly change tires and get back on the track. Ease of use. Changing tires has never been simpler with our user-friendly tool. Say goodbye to the annoyance of pinching your tubes during tire installation. Featuring a steel handle and bead push rod, our tool ensures high strength and durability. Lightweight and strong. Designed for trail and off-road use, our tool is both lightweight and reliable, making it a perfect companion for your adventures. The BAJA No Pinch tool is meticulously crafted using CNC machining, ensuring precise and high-quality components for effective tire changing. This tool is engineered with a focus on durability, making it reliable and long-lasting in the face of challenging tire-changing tasks. Its construction includes aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, offering both lightweight maneuverability and impressive strength for efficient tire changing. The use of treated steel in the BAJA No Pinch tool enhances its toughness and resilience, making it capable of handling demanding tire-changing operations with ease. In our list, the number 3 product name is BAJA No Pinch Original Tire Changing Kit. Simplify tire installations with the BAJA No Pinch Tire Changing Kit. Our comprehensive kit includes a heavy-duty 17-inch tire iron spoon, made from durable aluminum alloy steel, providing a quick mount without pinching tubes. Change tires hassle-free, whether you're a novice or an experienced rider. This all-inclusive solution ensures you have the tools you need for efficient tire changes. Say goodbye to tire-changing frustrations. The BAJA no-pinch spoon tool is tailored for motocross and dirt bike motorcycles. Swiftly mount tires without the risk of pinched tubes, thanks to its innovative design. This compact tire-changing tool guarantees a smooth process, keeping your ride on track. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy steel, the BAJA no-pinch tire iron spoon is built to last. The 17-inch length offers ample leverage for tire changes, while the Dura-Grip rubber-coated handle ensures a secure and comfortable bending or braking, just reliable tire-changing power. Engineered for motocross, enduro, and dirt bikes, our tire-changing kit is a versatile dirt bike essential. The included 17-inch tire iron spoon is suitable for 16/21 wheels, making it perfect for a range of bikes. Keep it in your toolbox for quick and efficient tire replacements. Anti-rust coating. We've got your back against corrosion. The silver zinc coating on our tire iron spoon offers excellent rust protection, extending the tool's lifespan and ensuring it's ready for action whenever you need it. BAJA No Pinch provides the reliability you need for smooth tire changes and uninterrupted rides. In our list, the number 2 product name is Dr. Rossi Motorcycle. Tire changing tools, tire spoons for motorcycle tires, dirt bike tires, and lawnmower tires. Removing and reinstalling tires with minimal fuss. Rim Protectors is used to protect your wheel rims from being scratched. Free valve corset and tire valve cam. A premium quality tire tool. Very durable, strong automotive-grade drop-forged steel. Rust-proof, grip-proof, beautiful polished chrome finish, packed with black durable Oxford case to keep tire spoons together and organized. Easy grip handles, smooth rounded edges of the spoons, easy to use and without pinching your inner tube. Set of 3 tire spoons, 2 rim protectors, tire valve stems EFUA2 412 TA2CTI, 1 a 4-way valve tool with 4 valve caps. It also works great on ATV, dirt bike, garden tractor, lawnmower, snowblower, riding lawn tractor tires, removing and reinstalling motorcycle tires with minimal. Dr. Rott Tire Lever, most trusted auto accessories expert, millions buyers' choice. In our list, the number 1 product name is Orion MotorTech Tire Changing Tool for motorcycle. 20-piece tire changer kit. Make tire repair a breeze with Orion MotorTech's motorcycle tire spoon kit. Includes 3 tire spoons, 4 PLC rim protectors, a valve removal tool, valve accessories, and a handy extended spoons for extra levering. The 11.5 tire spoons offer extra leverage and easier access for tire changing, and the PVC handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing slip and fatigue. Designed for long-term USA-made, tire changing toolkit is crafted from solid CRV steel and coated with corrosion-resistant chrome finish to handle rigorous tasks without bending. The smooth, rounded tire spoons, combined with rim protectors, ensure that your wheels and tubes are free from damage or scratches. All-in-one solution. This versatile tire removal kit is perfect for motorcycles, bikes, ATVs, lawn tie garden tractors, and mowers, keeping all your vehicles rolling smoothly.